Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom songs to Geometry Dash levels. First, make sure the song is in MP3 format. The file size should be reasonable, small to medium, to avoid crashes. Optionally, trim the song to match the level length. Next, launch Geometry Dash on your device, whether PC, mobile or console. Next, go to the level editor by selecting Create New Level or Edit Existing Level. Then, click the music note icon in the level editor toolbar. This opens the song selection menu. Now click the custom song or upload button. Browse your device and select the MP3 file you prepared. The app will then upload and associate the song with your level. Geometry Dash allows you to sync obstacles to the song beats. Now, use the timeline editor to match jumps, spikes, and triggers with the music. Finally, preview the level in play mode to ensure the song's plays correctly and make adjustments if the music starts too early or late, or if it doesn't match the level beats. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.